Hi, how are you doing? It's good to see you again. Welcome back to Shades of New York. I'm Debbie Ann. I am your resident beauty guide here on YouTube. And I just want to say thank you so much for being a part of this journey with me, being a part of this channel. I am going to show you something very interesting today in this video. It is our Amazebox. It's a subscription box that we have from LimeLife that I absolutely love. So the Amazebox is our subscription box service that we have at LimeLife by Alcone. This box, inside this box right here, you'll have products that are either makeup, skincare, or even makeup tools. You'll always have one full-size product inside that box, and the products in total can range up to $50 up to $100, but just for the price of the box is just $42. Free shipping plus tax, whatever tax is in where you live. The Amazebox is a part of that price as well, but no matter what, you're always going to get an amazing deal inside. So I just opened the box here for June Amazebox, and let me show you. It looks like there's 3 products in here. I'm just going to confirm with you. So let me just put it aside so I can take a better look. So the first thing that we have here is our Making Waves waterproof mascara in a full-size tube. I have a sample tube right here. I actually used it today on my lashes, as you can tell. And I love the way how this looks on my eyes. It gives a beautiful, like, the way how the flick is. My eyes, when I look at it in real life, it looks like I'm wearing false lashes, and it's not. This is my natural lashes. I just use this product alone. The next product that we have in the Amazebox actually is, actually I'm going to talk about this because I think this is probably the biggest thing ever. This is our Classified brush number 1. I have my brush here. I've had this brush since 2018, I kid you not. This is how the brush will look when you get it in a full-size tube. It's very fluffy at the top. You could use this all over your face. You could use this brush to set your makeup. You could use it for like your blush right here. You can use it to get your bronzer in your corners. You could even use it to set makeup. This is my setting powder, our Perfect Color powder. I love this. I love this setting powder. We have one that's translucent. This is the colored one, and as you can tell, I love it so much. I hit pan. I could take a little bit of it and just dust it in the inner, right here in these little inner corners, but it's so large I can go all over my face to do my makeup. And this brush, if I'm not mistaken, is around $40 alone. It's a wonderful professional brush. It does not scratch the face. It's synthetic fibers. And this will come inside the Amazebox this month, along with the waterproof mascara. The last thing that's inside the Amaze is our Perfect Glow Highlighter Powder. Whew. We just upgraded our packaging, actually. We used to have the watercolor packaging. That's been upgraded to these lovely, lovely, lovely palettes. So this is how the highlighter palette will come. These formulas are in refillable tins, so once you're finished with the product, you can buy a refill tin and put it inside the palette here, so you never have to worry about extra waste. Yes, so I actually have the highlighters right here if you want to take a look at them quickly. We have 4 in our line. We just debuted them this past holiday season. We have 4 highlighters right here. The shade that will come inside the Amazebox is this one right here. It's called Heart of Gold. And I love all the powders. They all have something different. Heart of Gold is sort of like this antique-y white gold effect. And I'm going to actually right now I'm not wearing any highlighter today. Anything that you see underneath that's glowy, it comes from our Perfect Glow Drops, and I can do that in a later video to show you how that looks. But I'm just wearing powder, a little bit of blush. The blush has a little bit of highlighting, but I'm not wearing highlighter on my face. I'm going to actually take a little bit of Heart of Gold for you. I'm going to show you how Heart of Gold will look on my face. And here I am. I'm going to actually put it in this region right here of my face, just the V shape, and just right here on the brow bone, right here on the bony part of my face. And what I love about these highlighters, it's subtle. It's a subtle highlight. When I turn my head, you'll see it, but straight ahead, you won't see it. So I love how it's a subtle glow. So for people who want to experiment with highlighter, but they don't want to look like they are made of bronze or metal or something like that, This highlighter formula is fantastic. It has squalene, so it helps keep your skin hydrated, and because of the squalene, it has a lot of skin loving and skin soothing ingredients, skin smoothing ingredients. I actually looked up the formulation of the highlighter palette that we have. It actually has ginseng in the formula for anti-aging. It has this type of seaweed that helps with skin hydration and skin smoothing. I love this highlighter formula. This box right here is an absolute treat. So I'm actually gonna play some more with a little bit more of Heart of Gold right here. Actually, you don't need a lot. Actually, you need just a little bit of highlighter. Probably gonna put some in the middle of my face, just lightly down the bridge of my nose, no further than that. But it just, the way how it just gives this gorgeous glow. I can't tell you how much I love this thing. So for all of this inside the box, I'm gonna put it all back together for you to show you how much you get for this box. This box is a steal. I'm like, this is a dream. Like, this is a, if any of you are interested in this, a great subscription box to try out just for fun, to play with your makeup collection, this box is it. You get all of this. This will, so our highlighter on its own is $25. The brush alone, I believe, is $40, and I think the mascara is $25. So that you're pushing probably past $80. All of this will come in the box just for $42 plus free shipping. I think that's an amazing deal. So definitely take a look at this box. I also have some additions for you if you're interested in finding out what would be a good add-on so that you're able to have the best experience with this Amazebox. Like I said, this waterproof mascara will not come off with washing your hands with just water only. I actually spilled some of our waterproof mascara by accident on my hand. You know, just opening the tube and some of it smudges on. I washed it off with water, it won't come off. I tried washing it with regular hand soap, it won't come off. I tried washing it with our Midnight Oil Cleanser here, or it's called Midnight Oil Cleanser. I love this cleanser at night. It won't come off. I tried using our Dream Clean cleanser. This is my regular daily cleanser for oily skin. It won't come off. The only product guaranteed that will remove this product right here, I have in the mini size, guaranteed, is this. This is our perfect add-on to our Amazebox. This is our makeup remover spray. So this is oil-free. It won't trigger any sort of breakouts. I get breakouts regularly. So this product here will not trigger breakouts, and it has vitamin E in here. All you have to do is one light spritz. You could spray it on a cotton round to gently remove the mascara off of your eyes. You could spray it all over your face and then remove it with our Make-Off Remover wipes. Any purchase this month in June 2023 that's over $100 from LimeLife by Alcone will get you our makeup remover wipes, which is called our Make-Off wipes. So this our Make-Off remover spray. This is a great addition, especially for this mascara. I tell you, the formulation is so gentle for the mascara, but it holds very firmly. It doesn't leave your lashes heavy, but to take it off, this is probably the most recommended method. So I would say if you're interested in getting this month's Amazebox, pick this up. This comes in a full size, 4 ounces, and it also comes in a travel size as well. So I really like this product for removing my makeup at night. So yes, the makeup product that I think is, this is actually not a makeup product. This actually is a makeup tool to help maintain brushes. This is our brush shampoo. Let's call her Clean Act brush shampoo. And this is an amazing brush and makeup tool cleaner. This is how it looks when it's new. And what I love about the product is that it gets in the grime, the dirt, anything that's inside your makeup brushes, your makeup sponges, and it takes it out, and your brushes are left soft and squeaky clean. I've had this brush here from LimeLife. I can't remember. I probably bought this in 2018. Most likely, but I bought this definitely before 2020. No, this was 2018 when I bought the brush in December, and you can still, like, it still looks new. It still looks new. So this brush, which is in this package, which is in this Amazebox, will come in And this brush looks just as good as new. I love this product, and I love the way how our makeup brush shampoo takes care of our products. So these are the two items that I would most likely recommend that you get along with our Amazebox this month. As I said, the makeup remover spray comes in a 2-ounce size, perfect for traveling. And this also comes in a 4-ounce size, which is perfect for heavy use actually. And then also our brush shampoo. So if any of you have any questions or anything of that nature, please let me know down below. As again, this is the Amazebox here. I love this Amazebox this month. You're gonna enjoy it so much. So thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions. If you liked this video, please like the video. Please comment below. I'd love to hear your comments, and subscribe to get more videos like this. I'd love to do more of these videos for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!